almost there, Felix.
Just right in front of us.
It's right there. So close. Well, we made it to the big leagues, y'all. We're in the most prestigious car show in the world. Number one. JDM. All the new cars. They're all here. And we gotta go look at them.
We got our lost child ID card. We got our free tickets to the new musical. We got it. If you lost your kid, we know what to do. We got a dollar on this right here.
I don't know where that one came from, but
I got some napkins.
we got napkins. We're prepared.
That's right.
Gives you hands-free driving in certain conditions on the highway in one lane or multi-lanes. It's amazing technology and amazing power to boot, and some of the other standard features that distinguish the Aria from other competitors.
Yo, I'm just imagining her following you with the microphone and talking to you. Somebody listen to me. Oh, man. Oh, wow. That's pretty sweet.
We hit the skyline, then we hit the supercars. That way we know at least we can check some stuff.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, wow. No, the first time ever I'm seeing one in person. That's sick. I wasn't even thinking about that. Off-road Lamborghini. Do you think they built that from the factory?
Pretty unique, isn't it?
Yeah. That has a word on it. Stiretto. Well, at first I just thought like somebody brought it in and built it. But it has like the Stiretto on it, or Stiretto. And then the family car Konase. Yeah, this is the one. Wow. How you feel about the red carbon, Felix?
I would like that. I would like
Yeah.
that one more than that.
Out of the two, you would pick that? Look at the back of that Rimac though. This thing is sick. They took an old Porsche and just modernized it. That looks so good. Got the new lights on there. Black on black with the carbon. And I don't know what that logo is, but it's really nice. Wow. That's sick. Did you I saw a video of this. They actually make the exhaust sound with like speakers. Yeah.
That's sad.
It's super
Just
sad.
turn off the speakers, but I'll keep the car.
Right.
I'll just drive this around so quiet.
Right. That's how I
I love the
feel.
back seats because it's got giant, like a lot of room for the back seats. Like, hit it back.
Oh yeah. Talk about a daily driver.
5 gallons to the mile.
She's like, can you run to the grocery store? I don't think I'm gonna make it. You just got a full tank of gas. Yep. BBS's on that thing, man.
Damn, bro. Why would you have BBS on the stock car? Doesn't make any sense. And the door opens on the other side.
Wait, it actually opens over
They
there?
keep opening the doors to let people in there.
It's not a real reason.
Now, we were talking about stock car. Yeah,
Thanks to Marty, we know how to install one of those wings. What happened to the shift knob? Oh my God, someone stole the shift knob.
I came out the party at Love Lounge. James Bond drives us around, chases people down.
Okay. That's a wild Mini Cooper. Yeah, this one is sick though. Wow. 2JZ in that shit? What the f? What? This thing is sick. Oh, now we in the real section. This is where everything is. They got the top secret Supra. What? That's not real. Hold on. Martin, you need to get a body kit ASAP. Sheesh. No way, dude. Yeah. That's nuts. Wow, bro. Iconic. Somebody's drift car? This is somebody's drift car. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. These are nuts. Wow. Body kit on this is wild. That's a familiar sticker. RK Tunes. He's a tuner. He does like a lot of BMW tunes. Yeah, they're not drifting, they're just turning really hard. Deal side. Felix, this is the one you said you like, right? Yeah. You want to drive this one?
Look how many Supra wings you can see from this angle.
All the Supras.
No.
We have the Type R over here. Classic Integra. Yeah, I think I'm lost. I do not want to be in this section. I need to find my way out. Nah, bro, we don't need this. What kind of section is that? We see those every day. It's a pretty sweet Subaru though. Four-door R32. Love that. Hi, buddy.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty hungry.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it's time to eat. I think you're right about that. Need some food. You want some food? You want food?
I want to eat it.
Do you want food?
You want a hot
Do you want food? Are you hungry?
Hey, Dad, you want a hot dog? Hot dog?
Yeah. I was just thinking of myself. Something. Then I saw pretzel.
Oh my god, we're all wiped out. Too much car show. Too much of a car show. I can't do it anymore. We're gonna go get some more food. Wait, where are you going? Don't leave us. Where are we going? Alright guys, so we're actually headed out of the car show. It was a lot of fun. Alright.
Yeah, it was pretty good. 2023 is a good year for the car show. See a lot of cars, had a lot of kids. More kids than cars.
For sure.
Yeah, more kids like than car lights. Yeah.
I didn't say stop when I
We
went
still
to
got
jail.
to see a lot of good ones.
I didn't say stop when I went over there.
Some of the greatest buses of New York City. It's fantastic.
I didn't know that scary.